Autel KM100 exposed. Generate smart keys for 700 plus cars effortlessly. Staring at a vehicle immobilizer that refuses to cooperate can make any locksmith feel blocked and frustrated. Drop a comment if this hits home. The stress of clients waiting and systems that won't respond can turn a simple key replacement into a nightmare. If you felt your tools holding you back, this device could change your day. Imagine running from one customer to the next with multiple all keys lost scenarios stacking up, while stress and wasted time pile higher. The pressure to deliver fast and accurate solutions can overwhelm anyone. Now picture a tool that gives you complete control over immobilizer programming and key learning, cutting chaos and frustration while letting you work confidently and efficiently. The Autel MaxiIM KM100 is engineered to simplify and accelerate key programming for locksmiths and automotive technicians. It supports universal key generation for over 700 vehicle models worldwide, covering 99% of cars on the road. Its 60-second key generation transforms time-intensive jobs into fast, repeatable processes. The tool handles all key loss scenarios, smart key cloning, transponder reading, editing, and simulation, and includes PIN reading, ECU reset, and password calculation. The Android 9.0 touchscreen interface guides technicians step by step, while Bluetooth connectivity links seamlessly to the vehicle's OBD-II port. The KM100 package includes two Autel IKEY universal smart keys, making it ready for immediate operation. Extra features include ignition coil detection, transponder frequency detection, and compatibility with both OEM and aftermarket keys. One locksmith shared how generating a replacement key for a stranded customer's Ford Fiesta took just 1 minute, saving time and boosting client trust. Pro tip: using the guided step-by-step instructions reduces human error, ensuring success even for complex European and Asian models. This tool is compact, reliable, and a must-have for every mobile or shop-based locksmith. The Autel KM100 doesn't just save time. It transforms workflow and efficiency. Professionals praise its intuitive interface, which blends a large color touchscreen with simple menus, making immobilizer programming accessible to technicians with any experience level. Influencers highlight how the all-key lost function, PIN reading, and ECU reset capabilities drastically reduce repeat visits and customer frustration. Industry analysts point out that its specialized focus delivers superior results compared to generic scanners, offering a purpose-built solution for locksmiths, mobile mechanics, and auto shops alike. Users report generating keys for common vehicles like Honda Civics, Toyota Corollas, and Ford F-150s in under a minute, noting the tool's reliability even on challenging European or American models. One professional said, "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow. Jobs that used to take hours are now done in minutes." Another commented on the value of including two Autel IKEY blanks, allowing immediate operation without sourcing additional keys. Mobile locksmiths love its portability and battery life for roadside calls, while shop owners appreciate the consistent success rate in emergency scenarios. Which function would save your day? ECU reset, PIN reading, or 60-second key generation? Comment below and share your thoughts. Join locksmiths and technicians who have upgraded to the Autel KM100, experiencing faster, smarter, and more reliable key programming. With universal coverage for 700 plus cars, all key loss support, step-by-step guided operation, and two included Autel IKEYs, you can handle almost any key situation immediately. Click now to discover a bonus tip for reducing errors during complex European or American model programming. Whether for mobile service or shop use, the KM100 streamlines your workflow, increases client satisfaction, and boosts profitability. Don't wait. Upgrade your toolkit today.